Do you know many people are having trouble with their LG refrigerators not making ice? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Check recent installation. Check if the refrigerator or ice maker was recently installed. It may take up to 48 hours for the ice maker to start producing ice after installation. Step 2. Turn ice maker on. Ensure that the ice maker is turned on by locating the ON/OFFF switch and confirming it is in the ON position. Step 3. Clean ice sensor. Verify that the ice detecting sensor is clean and free from any foreign substances or frost that could interrupt ice production. Step 4. Connect cold water. Connect the refrigerator to a cold water supply with adequate pressure and ensure that the water shutoff valve is fully open. Step 5. Close refrigerator doors. Check if the refrigerator doors are closed completely, as properly closed doors are essential for efficient ice production. Step 6. Ensure water pressure. If connected to a reverse osmosis filtration system, ensure that the water pressure is sufficient for the ice maker to function properly. By following these steps, your LG LRFXC2606S refrigerator should start making ice efficiently. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LG users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.